Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you high-quality content about health and wellness. In today's video, we have something special for all the busy professionals out there who are looking for healthy snack options to fuel their busy days. We present to you 10 healthy snack ideas for busy professionals. We all know how challenging it can be to maintain a healthy diet while juggling a hectic schedule. That's why we've carefully curated a list of 10 nutritious and convenient snack ideas that are perfect for busy professionals like you. Number 1. Energy balls. Our first snack idea is energy balls. These bite-sized treats are packed with wholesome ingredients like nuts, dates, and seeds, providing a quick boost of energy and essential nutrients to keep you going throughout the day. Number 2. Greek yogurt parfait. Next up, we have a delicious and protein-rich option, Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with fresh fruits, granola, and a drizzle of honey for a satisfying and nutritious snack that can be prepared ahead of time and enjoyed on the go. Number 3. Veggie sticks with hummus. For those who love crunchy snacks, nothing beats veggie sticks with hummus. Slice up your favorite vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers, and pair them with a creamy and flavorful hummus dip. It's a perfect combination of fiber, vitamins, and healthy fats. Number 4. Nut butter and apple slices. Another quick and easy snack idea is nut butter and apple slices. Simply spread your favorite nut butter, such as almond or peanut butter, on apple slices for a delightful blend of natural sweetness and protein-packed goodness. Number 5. Trail mix. Trail mix is a classic snack that provides a great balance of energy-boosting nuts, seeds, and dried fruits. You can customize your own trail mix by including your favorite ingredients like almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, dried cranberries, and dark chocolate chips. Number 6. Rice cakes with avocado. If you are looking for a satisfying snack with a crunchy texture, try rice cakes with avocado. Spread mashed avocado on a rice cake and top it with a sprinkle of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon juice. It's a tasty combination of healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins. Number 7. Protein bars. When you're on the go and need a quick protein fix, protein bars are a convenient option. Look for bars with minimal added sugars and a good balance of protein and fiber to keep you satiated and energized throughout the day. Number 8. Quinoa salad cups. Quinoa salad cups are a fantastic snack option that provides a mix of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Prepare a batch of quinoa salad with colorful veggies, herbs, and a light dressing, and portion them into individual cups for easy grab-and-go snacking. Number 9. Homemade kale chips. Instead of reaching for unhealthy potato chips, why not try homemade kale chips? Tear kale leaves into bite-sized pieces, toss them with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of salt, then bake them until crispy. It's a nutritious alternative that satisfies your craving for something crunchy. Number 10. Chia pudding. Last but not least, we have chia pudding. Mix chia seeds with your favorite milk or yogurt, add a touch of sweetness with honey or maple syrup, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. Wake up to a creamy and nutrient-rich pudding that you can enjoy as a snack throughout the day. And there you have it, 10 healthy snack ideas for busy professionals. We hope these ideas inspire you to make healthier choices and keep you fueled during your busy schedule. Let us know in the comments which snack idea you're most excited to try, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more high-quality content about health and wellness. Stay healthy until next time.